mature cross contamination in bottling line and packaging machine is a common problem. A big problem. A big problem. Because eduro no most of the time when we are a janinti wa kill bacteria ni nyina obe test no na ye 00 my mwa bi anim yes our experiment ni kitwa bi like more than 90% of the time unu eduro ni we are 00 onya fa line numa kodu stage 1 pe wa contaminate because line are contaminated no nti ofa line no mu kodu baby a ye miss no wa contaminate nti o contaminate wo ho wie a ni aka nyina wa contaminate awie enti making sure say o lines no mu no o clear na o sanso wo shadow bi a o di clean mu often say na be a o be ensure say emu ye no very important ena mini ni say mu use wooden equipment mu use wooden ena baby a machines ni sinin so no and what say etumi cause harm to patient omo ye adwuma no pamcho motiase machine we say si baby a entumi mpra obi enti mo ambe we say mu keep ho free we say otumi fa ho so free space and now say even the place is confined ebia eswa entino akoka baby a then they should be warning there say see her nobody should try say obefa sa small side because a husha and there should always be a way to quickly step out in case of any emergency on the machine. Pamcho muti wa ha. Good. Sani ama we nyina wa na obeyo. Make I say herbalist be by ono afe no started. And yaba training program Kumase hasa for the GAFTRAM members. Na ye wie no obehu me no say oh ono die sa FDA ni ama we di onjin di so betumi enya bi da na am si o ade na okasa no si o oni facility na am bi san se a hefa na we wadru no si o edan kitua bi mo na am si die FDA ehwehwe fi hwa ye good flow say ebia me ye adru 50 bottles a day me fi ha na me ko ha na me ko say na baby a me ya den so e hot and all that nti to me create sa flow no e ma wom na wo behwe a obe ma suggestion say bia fa we equipment na wo no bia na enye akasi bia sa but so far as etumi ye adwuma ne ma wo to me clean utumi ye arrange ni ye wa lebo wa ye bibia no they will be willing to look at it. He took it up and they were registering the products ba akope. So, enti baby a wo no wo na wo be oda no se na be ya ebe boama activity no akoso. Enti with time say wo expand na enko ho a then it means say see a wo hia den bigger place. Na odi aye adwuma. Na e was say ya identify equipment nso na yehu say we and free movement of personnel. Now massage take particular note of pipelines. A big problem. Pipelines. A whole contamination or multi hide. Herbal medicines, sometimes filtration no because but still particles be eba ko hide what corners of the pipeline pumps na a pump eduro no ubehu with time na a hide room enti pipelines na was so make effort to say you are always looking at them, you are making sure say emuye samples now befa periodically to check say emuye na afenso ebia obeka say every 3 months we dismantle na we clean mu ye because a very big source of contamination. Yeah. Okay. Cleaning. Em say yaka cleaning ne ho asem deda. Enti hot water no for the lines, for the stainless steel lines, any boiling vessel, any sawo ni amano. Enti u circulate fem. Ye will be anka ye friend no steam ye. Eno de to me kele microorganisms no very, very quickly. But enyo bia no was equipment to do that steam sterilization or cleaning. Enti normally no ubetumi the hot water afa lines. That means your lines must be stainless steel lines. And yes, sir, from beginning to the end. And generally, I now more advice say vacuum and wet cleaning methods are better than the dry cleaning. Why no be to me? Am I idea the entire wet or vacuum cleaning methods are better than dry cleaning. Yanfani say. Mami use equipment via. Okay, encapsulation. So, ya capsules in every. Ya treat powder na ya na say ya napkin. Near the bosswa. Hey, that's there ain't out of the two. Sending na ye clean you. Say powder na ni ye fi machine ana. Ye cleaning na ye cleaning.
But show me when you say wet cleaning ye chain. You order that standing boss on. If you say
okay, wet, you go ahead when you finish.
Would you show ne powder na be mixing tea be or roll
for capsule machine encapsulation machine me ma vacuum say wo twen. Wo de machine a be twen excess powder na free ho. Any dia wo de napkin no. Na bobo home trying to get the powder off. Into those two methods. To go ahead.
But the machine air train. So what they try like in from and air train didn't from any bit me powder and by. So what the dust and boss what the boss say to me bonnet talo. It's me only say the other from money training a chain said all the dust and
okay. Why have you? Abbas, Rahina, Priscilla, and Anefia.
But so me I may think he said with the machine air train is better than using rag no cause machine a bit me training now. But ebi a wo use that stand ebi betimi ake mama next time mu sambe ya my be contaminate ebetimi contaminate.
The duster can even contain some organisms or any other particle that you can use to cross-contaminate the machine.
Good. What else?
Exactly the same thing.
The same thing. Anybody else? Sarah,
okay. I also think the rag we are using can maybe cause any wear on the stainless steel or something, scratches or something.
Okay, but okay, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for something. Rahina.
Yeah, please. I want to add that I think using the rag will not be as efficient as when you're using, say, the vacuum cleaner.
Good. And what else? I want something.
But me ragging, sir, ube. Yes, say. It's you say the betty me up pick some also a more market to get more from my own to betty me up pick there.
Okay. Ebetumi apeke, and ebetumi nso ayɛ den. Aspread. Rahina, I'll give you 20 cedis. Mumbo museman.